Welcome to Moesappreviews. The robot has rotating mops with pressure bolts that provide the pressure plus self-cleaning station with 3.5 liter water tanks. The mop attachments rotate 180 times per minute. The suction power is 2500 Pascal. Thanks to the bolts, a pressure of 10 Newton meters can be exerted on the ground. The purchase price is 649 euros. Battery life of 3 hours is at the top level. The edge overcoming is 1.5 centimeters. The structure and the coupling of the app are simple. Simply place the station on the wall, install the app, and follow the instructions on the app. The app can perform intelligent mapping, so the robot creates a map with individual rooms. Here you can clean individual rooms instead of a complete clean. You can also draw in areas that should not be driven on, like I did here. A special feature of this model is that it has carpet detection. The robot has camera navigation combined with a gyroscope. In short, it works smart. The model can also vacuum. It is not a pure wiping robot.
Klicken Sie auf die Schaltfläche Start, Pause, um fortzufahren. Name der Reinigung.
Link is in the info box.